Ah, teste som. 2.
I'm sorry. I'm ruined. Ruined!
How so?
It's a disaster. Who wants to see a woman wrangle wild animals who doesn't have any bloody wild animals? Come to America, they said. Come to the land of opportunity, they said. Sod you, Daddy, I said. I'm going to America to make it on the stage. I don't want to be in the army. Ooh. Now look at me. The old git will have a field day.
I didn't really understand any of that.
I had an act. The bravest woman in the world. The animal wrangler. Watch her tame wild beasts.
And you were the woman.
Of course I was the bloody woman. Look at me. It's the stage. Grease paint. Tears. No one wants to see a man wrangling wild animals. And no one wants to see a woman wrangling nothing. Can I borrow your gun? I want to shoot myself. You see, I'm buggered.
Why?
My animals, they escaped. And now I'm buggered.
What escaped?
A priceless Ranjaniki tiger from the slopes of the Hindu Heights. A fantastic, elusive zebra from the plains of Ongo Bongo by the shores of the Limpopo. And a magnificent lion from the grasslands of Tanganyika.
Yeah, I see your problem. They're pretty hard to come by around here.
Listen, friend, help a fellow out, would you? I'm beyond desperate. If you see any of them, will you bring them back here?
If I see a tiger or a lion or a zebra, just roll me around.
Exactly.
Vou achar assim.
Well, I believe the zebra's up near Larned Sod. Distinctive creature that he is. I'll make it worth your while.
All right, madam.
It's bloody Margaret, not madam.
Tá. Eu não lembro como que eu acho esses bichos. Ah, eles ficam marcados aqui. Vamos lá então.
Mistress of fucking danger.
Tá bom, pode deixar comigo, sou bom.
You all right,
Vou achar
girl?
tua zebra, teu leão e teu tigre.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Some should I be nice? Yeah.
Só vender umas paradas aqui pro meu brother.
Remember you. Passed through here some time ago, huh?
What lovely weather.
It's been a while since you were through here.
Isso não é um cavalo, isso é um burro. Uma mula! Meu Deus. Eu não sabia que tinha mula nesse jogo. Quero tanta mula pra mim.
Yeah.
Pegar a mula e dar o nome de Sabrina. Em homenagem à minha queridíssima namorada. Que não é uma mula, óbvio. É só uma homenagem. Ah, zebra aqui.
Look here.
É uma mula também.
They done to you. Whoa there. Easy.
É uma mula.
It's okay. Easy. Whoa, whoa. Easy. Easy there. Easy.
Meu Deus, tadinha da mula.
Easy there.
Para de vir pra cima de mim.
Come here. Hey, hey. All right. Go.
Meu Deus do céu, cara. Por que meu cavalo tá fugindo agora também? Mula do caralho. Vem comigo, vamos embora. Tomar no cu, porra. Mas olha! Tadinha da mula. Tá cagando e eu não posso dar carinho? Afaga a mula. Sobe na mula.
Your stripes better not rub off on my pants. Come on, girl. Follow me.
Eu vou de mula até lá. Vambora. Nossa, olha o fôlego desse bicho, velho. Come alguma coisa. Come um. Então, olha só. E aí que eu tô zebra, bro.
Good grief! You found him, our zebra.
Well, you can call him that. Although he's as much a zebra as you are a lady animal wrangler.
Oh dear, you're missing the point, aren't you? It's an illusion, a trick of the eye to bamboozle the senses, confound comprehension.
Hoodwink your audience?
Hoodwink? Our audiences? Dear boy, don't be so dreadfully literal. No one will pay for the truth. They only pay for deception. The allure of the stage, dreams and reality. Ah. What is the greater conjuring trick? Lassoing some poor beast on the plains of mumbo-jumbo land and shipping it here so it can dance the polka? Or turning, there, in the glare of those arc lamps, something mundane into something extraordinary. It's the difference between prose and poetry. It's alchemy. We're selling dreams, dear boy.
Well, as long as you don't pay me with tickets to your show.
Yes. Well, it's not everyone's cup of tea.
And speaking of my payment,
Of course, of course. I shall make it worth your while. But, first, we shall need the whole menagerie back before we can think about that. My assistant's gone for the tiger.
Tiger?
Yes, yes. And taken our remaining lion in case it could lend a paw. They're down there on Caligo Way. Please, I hate to ask.
All right, I'll see what I can do.
Lá vem. Se for um bicho de verdade, se for o que ele tá falando. O que é isso aqui? Ah, missão do Leopoldo Strauss, foda-se. Vamos pegar a porra do tigre.
Easy, whoa.
Eu matei algum bicho sem ver. O cavalo matou, no caso. Uma ave? Matei um pássaro. Tadinho dele. Guardei no bolso. Guardei no bolso. Caralho, cavalo. Porra, Lily, precisava, velho.
Hey, hey.
Don't do this to us.
Hey, mister.
Oh,
Miss,
howdy, mister.
did you lose a tiger?
Yeah, you found one?
Nah, I found your caravan down the way. Margaret said that you might need a hand.
Oh, you weren't wrong. That tiger's missing. I sent our best lion out to find him, and now he's missing too. It is a right old predicament.
You're lying from Timbuktu, weren't you?
From Valentine, I think. He might be more of a kind of dog, than a lion, but in a certain light, a feller could never tell.
Of course. Which way to go?
Into them shrubs over there.
Okay. Why don't you hop up on the wagon and I'll see if I can find his track.
Okay. That first set of shrubs, that's where I lost sight of him.
I got it. Got the trail. These are paw prints.
I'm gonna move this wagon up.
Nossa, longe pra caralho.
Looks like blood to me. Shit, what's this?
A tinta do tigre, velho. Ah, não.
Oh, darn. Found your dog. Ex-dog, ex-lion.
Hey, boy! Oh, where's the rest of them?
I think a cougar took him.
That'd be
Ah,
Stripey. And I always thought they got along.
Your tiger is a wild cat?
Uh-huh.
What else? You still need it back?
Oh, yes, sir. She's our star attraction.
Well, let's hope it wants the other half of its dinner.
meu Deus.
The other half? Really?
I'm gonna put him in your wagon. You find somewhere to hide.
Oh, Well, behind that log then.
Tadinho do cachorro.
Grub's up. Stay down. She won't be too far away.
Come quick. I went out to find a tiger,
Cougar, you mean?
and I end up losing a lion.
Yeah, dog.
Ain't having any luck.
Well, if that's what you're dealing with, you didn't have any luck to begin with. Cougars and dogs.
Hey, it ain't what you got in this life. It's what you make of it.
Well, that's very wise of you. Especially when you're lacking zebras and tigers. Hey, keep your head down. It's coming.
Lá vem. O leão.
I really don't think she'll eat the dog.
É o
Like I
tigre,
said,
né? O
we
leão
was
morreu.
friends.
Just shut it.
Caralho, maluco. Parece um tigre mesmo.
Oh, I guess she's real hungry.
She's feral. I'm locking her in.
Essa porra tá ronronando.
Sorry, girl. All right. Let's go.
We got her! Okay. Drive, will you? And I'll keep an eye on her.
Sure thing.
Let's get her back to Mr. Margaret. She's still eating. I would have thought, since they was close and all, we got a ways to go yet.
Wild creatures turn on each other. Seeming friendly one minute, tender the next. Viciousness comes easy. I mean, I should know. I've run with a few of them myself.
Is that right?
No, not really. Hey, I realize I ain't properly introduced myself.
Sally Nash.
Arthur Morgan.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Tell me, Miss Nash, how you end up in this racket?
I guess it's always been my inclination, you know? Wild beasts and the like. I met Mr. Margaret, we got to talking, and you can probably tell, in this field, he's the ace of spades.
He's a card, all right.
It's my modest hope, one day, to be the world's second bravest woman animal wrangler.
I'd say you got that sewn up and then some.
You think? I hope so. Top 5 at least. Depends on how many more fellers throw their hat in the ring.
Maybe one of these days, best female for the job will actually be a female.
Oh, I don't know if that'll ever happen.
O Arthur desconstruído aí, ó. Viu? Por que que um homem tem que fazer o papel de uma mulher? Se tem uma mulher para fazer o papel de uma mulher. O Arthur tá muito à frente do seu tempo.
When the dust was up. Be careful or you might get wrecked too.
Okay? You know the only thing to do in a dust storm is wait it out?
Mr. Margaret's a lot of things, but best female navigator ain't one of them.
Caminho.
I imagine you're right about that.
We was tearing around here, looking for any kind of landmark when
Lá é.
whole caravan toppled. If we was going this slow, we might not have lost those animals to begin with. Found each other and some shelter, but
Meu
when
Deus,
the
o
wind
que eu tô
died down,
fazendo?
the animals was gone.
And now they're back. Some of them, at least.
Thanks to you.
You would have managed it yourself. I just helped you along.
You ever want to get in the sideshow business? I'm sure there'd be a place for a fellow like you.
I'll leave the professional theatrics to better women than me.
Acelera.
There it is, the caravan.
see you found each other.
Filho da
Sure
puta
did,
ficou
Mr.
sentado
Margaret.
esse tempo todo.
Jolly
velho.
good, jolly good.
You know, tarring and feathering a donkey is one thing,
I beg your pardon? It's grease paint, makeup.
but playing dolls dressed up with a wild animal, you're gonna want to be a lot more careful.
Strappy ate King, Mr. Margaret. I saw her do it.
I always thought they got along.
Oh, she liked him just fine. She licked her chops and asked for seconds. Hey, speaking of which, you got any more word on that runaway lion, or you gonna pay me for these misfits?
Look, I'm well aware that we're not Royal Command performance material. Daddy, you were right, goddamn you! But a cow barn in Rhodes is hardly Drury Bloody Lane.
You got any word on the lion?
Yes, I've got word on the lion. Shit is the word. Someone saw him near Emerald Ranch. As you know, we're lately very short on lions. So, I'd be very grateful. All kinds of grateful.
There's only one kind of grateful I care about.
É, tá demorando pra
So
me
long,
pagar.
mister.
No final eu não vou ganhar nada.
Be a dear and fix me a gin.
Que eu me abaixei. Bora, Lili, que a gente tem mais trabalho pra fazer. $13 dá pra trocar de roupa? Porra, não preciso de tanta roupa assim não. Assim tá bom.
Hold it tight! We caught a trapper here!
Boy, you seen a dog, a big dog around here?
A dog? I don't know what I seen, but they got it trapped in the barn there.
Okay.
Hold your side! I am holding it. Hold yours!
Boys.
Get back! We got a cursed creature in here.
Oh, yeah?
It's as big as a mule and as mean as a hellcat.
It looked like a lion to me.
That's a dog in there.
Oh,
Now, if you excuse me. Step aside.
what?
I said step aside. Yeah, boy.
Didn't look like no dog.
Caralho, o tamanho do...
Let's go.
Isso não é um cachorro, velho. Vai ser realmente um leão.
Look what you've done! Look what you've done!
I'll take care of it.
Meu Deus, mas o bicho é um assassino. É um leão, meu. Meu Deus do céu.
Shit!
pray that thing's a goner.
Pegar troféu. O que que é o troféu? Ai, que
Whoever owned that beast's got some
tristeza.
answering to do.
Botei a patinha do leão.
I've never seen one of those before, and I hope I don't again.
Caralho. Uma loja clandestina. Isso aqui é uma loja clandestina. Fechado.
Yeah.
Caralho, o cara é realmente um leão. Eu não lembrava disso. Eu achava que era um cachorro. Eu não lembrava que tinha um leão mesmo. Eu lembrava do cachorro vestido de leão, mas não lembrava nem da mula, nem do leão de verdade. Chato.
You all right, girl? It's okay, girl. Just a scratch. Yep.
Esses malucos do caralho aqui, velho.
Odysseus returns. Sally, get the cages ready.
Yes, sir, Mr. Margaret, right away.
Man-eating lion. You didn't think that it might be useful for me to know that this time the animal was actually real, you moron?
Steady on. I clearly stated that we were looking
You
for...
haven't clearly stated anything in all the time I've known you. That could have been a goose for all I
A
know.
goose will hardly get them to their feet for the curtain call. Bring on the king of the beasts, on the other hand, and they feel the roar. And they, well, look about as surprised as you do. What have you done with him, if you don't mind me asking?
I killed him. He's dead.
Bloody hell! This is Ramo, boy.
Well, it was him or me. Now, pay me.
Yes, of course, of course. I have just the thing. And what a treasure
Meu
it is!
Deus.
You're a lucky man, sir. Very lucky man.
Ganhar um chocolate.
From the mines of El Dorado.
Ah,
As
ih,
green as the rainforest, as clear as the Amazon, and as dear as all the gold in the Andes. One man's labor is but a trifle compared to this jewel's true value. Wait! I shouldn't. What would Daddy say?
Your daddy ain't here, and we had a deal.
Yes, of course. A promise is a promise. Sally, get the wagons moving.
Ain't we waiting for the lion?
He's in the great hunting ground in the sky. Good day, sir, and thank you. But we really
essa
must
porra
be
não vai
getting
valer
over.
nada, velho.
Yeah, I won't keep you. So long.
So long, Mr. Morgan. Next time you see me, I'll be topping the bill, I promise. Or at least I'll be on the bill.
Deve valer 20 conto essa merda, essa esmeralda aí. Fui tapeado pra caralho nessa missão. Vamos embora daqui. Vamos ver se tem mais alguma coisa. Ver se eles não esqueceram nada, não é mesmo? Não. Vamos embora. Deixa eu ir para Rhodes. Porque eu preciso vender essa pele de jacaré, não. Tinha que dormir. Se eu vou para Rhodes, eu vou para acampamento. É isso aí, então. Deixa eu finalizar isso aqui.